Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Zach, your RV specialist. So this goes back to a Grand Design Solitude that we're working on. And when the dealership installed the slide out topper over the room, they made it a little bit too long. So this is just an example to show you how much that we've cut off of that tube. Zach's over here deburring it now, so he cut it down. What would you say that is? A couple, 2.5 inches maybe?
Yeah, I want to say it is exactly 2.5 inches.
2.5, yeah.
Yeah, the issue is when they have the rooms where the slide topper is right next to the awning, you have to offset the slide topper so far towards the rear that it puts a ton of leverage against that rear arm and causes problems. So customizing slide toppers like this can help eliminate that issue.
Yeah, so I noticed in the video we were talking about how it was torquing the arms, and then it was also so close that it was hitting the slide out topper to the main awning arm itself as well. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. I'll try to capture some pictures when he gets going on this. Here's an example if you wanted to see what the springs look like. These guys right here basically get riveted in place, and this spring that's got a gear on it and a cog, this goes in that tube. So it's the same as this one. There's another one floating around inside there. So anyway, stay tuned for more. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the description box and we will try to reply back to you as soon as possible. And if you haven't already joined any of our Facebook groups, we have a link on here for a lot of the groups. I think we have about 30 overall, but we use this as a source to not only show our customers what the status is, where we're at, what's going on, things that we've had to do, but also to, let them know what's going on, and then to share this information with others so that if you're a DIY guy or, another repair shop or somebody, that these videos can help others out there in our industry. So thanks so much for watching.